We're going to start with our mayor, Mayor Van Johnson. Our state representative, Madam Edna Jackson. Our city council, Linda Bryan. World Trade Center, Savannah, Antoine Muhammad. Representing Metropolitan Planning, Dwayne Stevens. Entrepreneur and member of the Ghana Alliance, Richard Shinholster. Attorney Lester Johnson from the school board and assistant attorney for the city. Mr. John Clark, who is an attorney, civil rights attorney in the state of Georgia. Thank you. Mr. Mayor.
Thank you. We have traveled a long ways to be able to reconnect our shared history, our shared heritage, our shared lineages, and to plot a course toward the future in mutual cooperation, friendship, and partnership. It was many years ago that His Majesty visited the hostess city of South called Savannah, Georgia. I was 2002. I was not in office at that time. Since that time, I've served on council 16 years, and now I am the mayor and have been mayor for 6 years. His visit then left an impact on me, and certainly his relationship with Dr. Silver continues to be strong and strengthened, and we brought more Savannians here to see and experience what we have seen and experienced. I thank you for the opportunity.
Savannah, Georgia, American Bushman, Dormahene, so Asantehene, Savannah, Georgia, na campaign be fasoa, amamre ni amanye radio media yetimenya mutamudi, nti na bomba. Two for the massive. You are welcome.
Your Majesty, our mayor wants to present several gifts to you to show our appreciation for your time. We know that you're busy. We know it was almost an imposition, but you honored us, and we want to show our appreciation. So we're going to ask the mayor to present the gift.
Well,
should we present it?
What about right?
In our tradition is the highest honor that can be given. And although we know His Majesty visited us in 2002, we're welcoming him back as soon as he's able and the schedule allows. But this is an enduring piece of our friendship and representative of our honor and appreciative of this opportunity. This is another gift on behalf of our delegation. Again, being very extremely grateful for this opportunity, being very grateful for his hospitality and graciousness, and this is from the people of Savannah.
Your Majesty, when you came to Savannah, Georgia, we remember that you announced your educational fund for the Asantehene people. So on behalf of the mayor and on behalf of all of us who are gathered here, we want to leave you with, therefore we want to present you with this money to put in the educational fund. May I make one other speech, please? One more comment. So, Your Majesty, so, His Majesty, we also know that your people work very hard for you. And one of your people stayed in contact with me to make sure that we had this audience. So with your permission, we want to give Mr. Asantehene one of our gifts to say thank you, with your permission. And finally, Your Majesty, I don't know if Mr. Kotoyanka told you, but I am now a citizen of Ghana. And I purposely chose Kumasi as my hometown. I chose Kumasi because you are not only my brother, you are my king. Thank you.
Adama, Onana, Kato, Kuba, Adama, Chebi, our ceremonies and ceremonies are there or don't. I got a Santino. Now, naturally, but I feel so bad, I feel you know. Okay, I said, I'm going to have a education for you. And also, book a woman in a talk, so a that one now, body will say. They say they were fat masses in the crowd. I don't know when I did I knew that I don't believe so I don't know. So they will say, Flow.
Yo, good afternoon. I welcome Savannah,
Flow.
the mayor and the delegation back home here.
Yo.
I'm recall 2022 when I visited that you have been here and you invited me there.
Yo.
And I still have fond memories of Savannah, Georgia.
Yo.
The reception that I was given at that time I was there. And I think you promised to be back, and I haven't been. So maybe this is the time for me to come back actually again.
Yo.
So I look forward to coming back to see my people over there. And as I said to you when I came, I said, you are mine. Even the negotiation separately. The circumstances that we find ourselves. I still said to people that 400 years ago, there was no way my forefathers could have even appreciated what was happening. And even up to this time, when African economies are still being dictated to by Western powers. Even in this day of modernity, where we say that we've gone through school and everything, we still have not been able to wriggle ourselves from the point of coloniality. And I have to be honest, our economies and everything are geared towards the West. And if we have to manufacture, we get import our raw materials to be sent to be processed and brought back at a very expensive price for us to pay.
Yo.
We have all the resources in Africa, but unfortunately we don't have the extractive knowledge to do it, and therefore gold and oxide and everything are shipped out, and then value is added there, and we pay just a pittance of it.
Yo.
For the circumstances we are in, we still find ourselves in now as it was in 400 years. But I can't thought that I have my people who have developed and learned so much from them that I can benefit from. That is why I would encourage you that this is your home. It's a servant to show the need, and I'm here ready to welcome you anytime.
Yo.
And you are in America, but you Kumasi and Ashanti and Ghana.
Yo.
So I give you all your that you are most welcome anytime. That we will show you the affection and love. We will give you all what necessary to support you to be able to accept that this is where you are.
Yo.
Thank you for this. In fact, today was a day that I wouldn't have seen anyway. But I was told by society, and I said, okay, this is Dr. Silva, leading the delegation from Savannah, which is my home. I will then go against some of the traditions and then meet you with that.
Yo.
I'm here because it's exactly the day that I don't have to be big one. But I've done this for you. And 23 years ago, the memory is still now. And I thank you for coming back. Like I said, we will have to Mayor Johnson, for me, fortunately I have a key to Savannah. After I have a key to Savannah, I don't even need to see any permission. I just come and open the door. I thank you for this reception. I appreciate your presence here in Kumasi. Thank you very much.
all, I would like to thank His Majesty for those remarks and the memory down our memory lane. Certainly, Savannah holds you in the highest esteem. And our Mayor, Dan R. Johnson, is poised to put into place everything that you want us to do between the two of us. And so you have graced us with your presence. I know that normally you do not meet people on this day, and I know you had the initiation. And for you to take time, we are forever, forever grateful. Sir, we do not want to take too much more of your time, so I'm going to ask permission from you that we depart your presence.
Adama, Nana Ika, Asada, and Wuduka, Flora, Greenville, and so there, it's many other Messia. The teaching some of our kind of fathers of the $5 Savannah, Dormahene, and they will be best of our fire.
Yes, I will make sure I tell your twin sister Laverne that I did see you. She sends her regards to you, and so does Carlton. Yes, I will definitely do that, sir. Yes, your brother is up. gentlemen, we have asked the king permission to leave. He has granted us that permission, so we are going to depart now with grateful hearts and thankful hearts. Thank you, sir.